game, win it life, have no shame. There's no time, feel the pain, live the grind. I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb. The only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories I forget.
So if you look down here, you'll see rail. At one point in time there was another adit. There's, if you look right here, right directly below this first bank, there's a shaft that goes straight down. And it connects to this spot down here at the rail. Be careful. Here, let me go first. There's some sketchy shit over here, okay?
Yeah.
What you can't see will hurt you. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Oh, I see how that shit.
Yeah, there's some holes over here.
So is that a rail right
So
there?
this is one of the first. That's what I was talking about. That shaft drops straight down, connects out to the bottom down there.
Oh wow.
See how they fenced it all off? See the rail?
So crazy.
The rail came out from up over there. So there's another shaft right here. So be careful. Watch your step.
Yep.
Because that bitch goes down.
That was crazy. They closed it.
Yeah, they closed them all off, Justin. Even this one right here. So there's this one right here. So there, you got to watch out. There's holes everywhere over here.
That's wild.
You keep going?
That's so crazy. So dangerous.
It is.
These fuckers, dude, had some big old balls to do all this shit.
I don't know if this collapsed or they actually mined this out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But if you look, you can actually see, like, if you had a flashlight, you can see timbering underneath these rocks and like holes. You know what I mean? That's why I say watch your step.
Yeah.
Because up there, you can see like the bracing where there's timbers and stuff, and it's just like holes that go straight down. But it looks like it's stable because there's rock and shit like this on top of it. But it's not.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
You can keep going if you want.
I'll just follow your footsteps.
I bet you it was. Yep.
Whoever's watching this, and if my GoPro's recording, don't fucking try this.
You Gucci, Bubba? So it goes down that way. It's a little ice over here.
Oh, beautiful.
This is ice. I wouldn't recommend this over here. But it goes down that way a little bit.
Holy shit. Yo, that's sick.
And then it goes back in here. It drops down, straight down.
That's welded shut, right?
Yeah. It's locked. Should have brought my other flashlight. But that fucker goes down about 30 feet. Straight down.
Oh my god, that's so fucking awesome, dude.
Yeah, so back in there, it doesn't go too much farther. It actually dead ends over there. We've been in there. Yep.
Wow.
Yeah. There's actually a shaft that goes up. So it connects up there somewhere too.
Hundreds of years old, right? Or just 100+ years old?
I think it's like 1890s.
Oh, never mind.
2021. That's when they closed it. That's when they. So you'll see a lot of these badges. They'll say 2008 or 2012. That's when the mines come in. They came in and built all these gates and cement them back up.
That is locked.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I see the lock right here.
They leave these gaps for the bats.
That's okay. Here, can't fuck with their home.
I forgot to turn the mic on. Stupid, right?
Right?
I'm fucking up today. I don't know how much footage I actually gonna get. This GoPro's not happy either.
You got warranty on it?
Yeah. It just sucks.
Yeah, that's my third GoPro replacement.
What is it?
The 8.
It's a 9.